What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a couple of interesting phone cases here, and these are from a brand called Alumu, and this is the first time I'm reviewing these cases on the channel. We have been looking at Pitakas, the Bangs, etc., but we have never seen something unique like this. Before even getting into these boxes, you can see these boxes are pretty cool. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max case here, and this is the Galaxy S26 Ultra case. We have got some important things mentioned over here for the S26 Ultra case. It's aramid fiber case, slim yet strong, crafted from aramid fiber, optimized heat dissipation, ventilation holes and heat dissipation pad is there on this case. And we have got full cover camera, aluminum alloy frame, smooth texture, soft woven layer. Now those are some features of this case. Likewise, we have got this iPhone 17 Pro Max case, and here it says camera control button cover, active CPU cooling system, color changing temperature indicator, which is pretty interesting, and we have got MagSafe compatibility as well. Here it says two sides IMD process, glow in the dark, which is also interesting, it glows in the dark, and full coverage aluminum camera frame. Now that is the reason I told you that these are pretty unique cases. And apart from these cases, we also have infinite dual mag stand for phone. This also looks pretty cool. I'm not sure whether we have got the MagSafe compatibility on the S26 Ultra case here. I'm going to check that out. Of course, this will work on the iPhone 17 Pro Max case. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in and check out all these cases. First, we are going to check out the aramid fiber case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me break open the seal here. There it is. It's pretty simple to open it. And this looks pretty nice. It has got that soft touch on the back. Let me just remove this. Here you go. There is nothing inside the box. Let me keep this aside. Look at this. It's a very soft material. And what's unique here is this area here. We've got heat dissipation pad right here. You know, when the phone heats up, this area on the back of the phone is going to get hot, and that is where exactly we have got this pad. It says 26 CPU cooling holes, and these are literally holes, guys. You can see these are the holes here, and the camera protection also seems to be pretty nice. This is the aluminum material that we have here, and it looks pretty premium. And inside you can see we do have the MagSafe accessory attachment area here. Basically, it's MagSafe compatible. So let's go ahead and fix this up. We do have the openings on the sides here. There it is. Look at this. This is really eye-catchy. It is going to grab some eyeballs because it looks pretty unique, especially this part over here. And it protects the camera pretty well. No issues whatsoever here. You can see it's protruding outside. Only area it doesn't protect is the sides here, the side keys. Of course, if you want a thinner case, a thin fit case like this, which will keep the phone's form factor alive, then you will have to sacrifice this particular area coverage here. And at the bottom also you can see this area is completely open, maybe to provide easy access to the S Pen here and the USB Type-C port over here. And of course the speaker grill is right over here. Of course you need to be a little careful when you are using the phone. If you drop it this way, then the impact, if the impact is on this area, then this is going to get scratched. So that is one small concern, but like I said, this is not for everyone. This is for people who take care of their phones, but they want to keep the form factor alive and yet protect the phone well. For those, this is definitely the case to go. And if you want all-round protection, they also offer another case called Frosted Glow case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That is also a beautiful case that's gray in color and uniquely designed as well, but that doesn't have this particular feature. The cooling holes are not available on that particular case. Since this is aramid fiber, of course, it is pretty strong and durable. So definitely it's a pretty good case from Alumu. You can also consider the Frosted Glow case, which is also pretty unique. Now, before we go to the iPhone case, let's check out this particular unit here. This is the infinite dual mag stand for phone. Let's open this. Again, this seems to be a pretty unique packaging. Here we go. We care for the earth. 100% biodegradable materials are being used for this cover. Let's open this. Wow, this looks nice. We got this a silver finish here, and I'm really impressed with the packaging itself here. We have got one more ring here. Let's see how to use this. Let me just remove this, and I will remove this as well. We also have a ring here, just in case if your case doesn't support the MagSafe accessories. If it doesn't have the magnet inside, then you can attach this on the phone. You can stick it on the phone like this, and then you can attach it on this. That's how it works. So let me keep these aside. Okay, now this is an additional ring that we have. Just in case if you don't like it, you can go ahead and swap this. Now let's go ahead and try this one here on this phone. All I need to do is just attach it, and it looks like it's pretty strong here. You can see it is actually very, very strong. Now let me show you something very interesting here. You can just pull this rubber ring here and use the phone like this. You can put your finger inside, and this is basically a grip. You can use it like this, or what you can do is you can use this ring here. You can flip it open just like this, and you can see this. This can be opened like this, and we can also flip it like this, and we can straighten it or take it to the sides here, and we can use that attachment that we saw. You can use this ring here on your laptop or wherever you want to stick this to. You can just stick it, and you can just attach your phone onto this magnetic ring here. So basically you can stick this on a metal surface and use your phone for recording videos through your main camera here. So it's actually pretty unique. Let me fold this again. Look at this. This is how it works. This is why this stand is very unique. You can hang it like this to take your selfie videos wherever you want, or you can attach it on the laptop or any other metal surface. And when you don't need it, just fold it like this and stick it back here. That's pretty insane, isn't it? And of course, this works as a phone stand as well. I can just open it and use it as a stand like this. As simple as that. So this is definitely a very unique product. I think you guys should try this. It comes in two colors, this one, and I think it's there in black as well. Do check it out. The website link, I will leave it in the description. Now let's go ahead and check out the iPhone case here. The iPhone case is also pretty interesting. I've got a simple seal here. I'll open it. Look at this. I think this is going to be something similar to the other case that we have got for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That is the frosted glow case. The frosted glow is something similar to this. You can see this. Now let me just pull this out. The material is really premium, guys. I'm definitely in love with this. We do have a tag here. It says no returns if removed. So you need to make sure that this tag is intact if at all you're returning this product. Now let me just go ahead and remove this, and look at this. This is a beautiful case. It's neither too soft nor too hard. And we do have that heat dissipation holes here. It says CPU cooling holes. And we have got this very unique looking camera cover right over here. And we also have the MagSafe thing over here. And on the sides, the buttons are very well covered. You can see the side keys, the volume buttons, and everything is covered. And we also have this touch sensitive cover for the camera button for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and put this on. That's it. Look at this. It just looks beautiful, guys, especially for the orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. You can see the entire orange color is visible here with this unique looking design, and the camera bump. You can see the camera is very well protected, and the sides are all protected. If I keep the phone upside down, there is a slight raise here on the edges, and it looks just beautiful. Look at these cases. Pretty unique, isn't it? That's why in the beginning itself I said these are very unique cases that we have got here. And we do have these strips here. You can see these are going to glow in the dark. The moment you turn off the light, you would know where your phone is located. If you have kept the phone upside down like this, then these lights, these are going to light up a bit, and you will know where exactly you have kept your phone. So that's also a very unique touch on this case. Pretty unique cases. I'm really impressed with the way they have designed these cases. And this magnetic stand here, this is also very nice, especially for the creators. This is going to be very useful. And they also offer some very cool cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, the newly launched Galaxy phones. You can see we have got it for both Galaxy Z Fold 8 regular and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Beautiful cases. They also offer cases for the AirPods. They also look pretty unique. We have got magnetic gears, you can see. They all look so interesting, by the way. We also have watch bands. Unfortunately, we don't have watch band for the Galaxy watches. I wish they add them in the future. Compact tech, we've got some chargers, and look at this M10 multi-charging dual mag power bank. Currently it is not showing up on the website, but it looks really unique, and there are a few more products available on their website. I think you guys should check them out. They all look just beautiful. Now coming to the prices, the Galaxy S26 Ultra case that I showed you, it costs about $70 US, and the other one, the frosted glow case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, costs you about $36 US, which is well priced. That has got this glowing feature on the back, but that doesn't have this cooling feature on the back side. And the iPhone 17 case that I showed you, that is going to cost somewhere around $75, $77. and they offer some very special cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max as well. Basically iPhone 17 cases. You can see there are about 8 different designs and they all look pretty unique. I think it's worth checking out. Do go ahead and check out these cases. Let me know what you think about them. Drop a comment. The link for the website is in the description. And if you want to see more contents like this, do subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't downloaded our Wallverse wallpaper application yet, do go ahead and download it. There are some amazing collections available on the wallpaper application. Every day we keep adding about 10 to 20 new wallpapers, both free and premium. Do check it out. The link for the application is in the description. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.